Hello friends, welcome back to Momentum Stocks. In this video, we are going to discuss about Nifty, Bank Nifty, and we are going to talk about one strong and one weak stock that can be helpful for tomorrow's trading session, that is 13th of Jan 2025 friends. Coming to our previous video, we have discussed about Maruti to be strong. However, Maruti did not give any kind of breakout. It continued to fall. Now, remember we have discussed about one level, 38.2 levels, and clear indication was given that this is from where it can turn. Now at 38.2 level, we have seen it to be coming here at this level. See, this chart 10th is what started here, the previous days here. Now in this chart, we see a left shoulder, a head and a right shoulder. If I remove this, we also see a double bottom, first bottom, second bottom and upward channel. First bottom is low, second bottom is higher. Okay, in the previous video I have discussed about this particular situation in Nifty chart friends. Okay, so currently this exact formation has come here. We can wait for this breakout here and then enter. Anyways, we talked about SBIN to be weak. We had drawn one pattern on the chart. That was a triangular pattern friends. Okay, now if this trend line was drawn, breakdown of this trend line we can short, or we can wait for retracement, was what was told, and it gave a proper downward momentum, a retracement and a fall. It closed almost at the day low. If you look at it, it was about 2.5% down when it closed in the previous trading day. Coming back to Nifty, Bank Nifty, before that, let me tell you, if you have still not subscribed to the channel, do hit the subscribe button. And likes are not coming friends, please hit the like button. Likes will encourage me to create more educational videos just like this one. Okay, coming to Nifty, this is a chart for Nifty 5 minutes. We discussed that if in case there is a breakdown here, okay, this is how there was a trend line drawn, breakdown, reversal and a downward momentum, again a reversal and a fall. Exactly, that's how Nifty is reacting. Now here there is a wonderful pattern that I can see. This is a left shoulder, this is a head, and this is a right shoulder if it was moving from here itself. But in this case, what it has done is it has come down. Now here what has happened is, here you see a first bottom and a second bottom. Now if in case if it gives a breakout above this area, that's when we can buy. In my opinion, it will not do that. I feel that it will give a false kind of a breakout and then continue its journey downwards. It is in a downtrend friends. Okay, now good possibility that it is going to continue its downtrend tomorrow also. What we'll do is we will go ahead and create short positions. Where for that we will draw a Fibo friends. See, from the recent top to the recent bottom, if I'm drawing a Fibo, see 50% level is what is important for us. At this level what has happened is, you will also see a proper rejection area like this. See, this is all rejection area. It came here, got rejected, got rejected, got rejected. Again, if it comes here, it can face its reversal, a rejection from 50%, and it can continue its journey downwards. That's what can happen. Now, in the previous video, I have already discussed about Nifty 50 chart. There was a bottom that I showed you. That bottom is another 100 points below this bottom friends, about 100 points below this bottom. So that can be your target. Coming to Bank Nifty also, there was a trend line that was drawn, something like this. A breakdown of this trend line is what I told, we can short. I also discussed about one area like this. This is the area. This was exactly the 50% area of the previous Fibo, which is lying somewhere here. Okay, breakdown is what we can short, I told. Breakdown, a retest and a fall. Again a retest, same area, this particular area which was the previous support. Okay, this area acted like resistance here, again acted like resistance here, and there was a fall. Good possibility that it can continue its fall again. Coming to when we can buy, for that friends, I would not suggest you to buy at this levels at all. In Bank Nifty, again there was a pattern, attempt of a pattern that was done, a double bottom kind of a pattern, but again the same point, first bottom followed by second bottom. Here the second bottom is much lower than the first bottom. First bottom has its low here, second bottom has its low much lower than the first bottom. So if I draw it this way, you will see this is the low. So good possibility that if it comes here again somewhere, you can go ahead and short. What we'll do is we will simply extend the previous Fibo. This will give us clear picture as to where to enter. If we extend this pivot till here, you will see 38.2 levels where there is a good possibility of a fall, and 50% levels. Both the levels are important. At these two levels, we can go ahead and expect fall coming. Remember, in the first video, that is on December 30th or 31st, I have drawn that video for you people, and there I showed you this pattern. This followed by, sorry, and see, this was the flag that was drawn. So pole and flag kind of a pattern is what was drawn. Okay, this is your pole, this is your flag. Okay, and from there is what I discussed in that video. Go and watch the video. You will see that this was the target, and exactly that target has been achieved. For your convenience, I'm putting that video on this corner. Now again, I'm drawing similar trend lines here also. First trend line like this, second trend line like this, and third trend line like this from the top till this area. Again, similar pattern that I have showed you. What will be the target? First target would be here, this one. Second and final target, if when I am zooming back, is coming till this area, 50,448. Let's consider 50,500, friends. Okay, that could be your target downwards. Okay, coming to strong and weak stocks, friends. I am going for buy side on SBI Life. See, SBI Life is an uptrend. Okay, from uptrend, what we see now is it has given you a breakout. This is the breakout. Okay, this was the breakout that happened yesterday, and then it has come back for a retest. Breakout followed by retest. Now if I'm drawing a Fibo, what we'll see is from the recent bottom to the recent top, this was exactly a retest at 38.2 levels. Good possibility that it can continue going upwards. Reason number 3 is, see, this is not a very clear pattern, but I'm just showing it to you. Left shoulder, a head and a right shoulder, and a breakout followed by retest and an upward momentum. Okay, so good possibility with all these 3 or 4 reasons that I just gave out, good possibility that it can continue to go upwards. Okay, first target will be this top, second target will be this top, and if in case you see upward momentum coming in Nifty, Bank Nifty, this will go ahead and make a new all-time high. 1500 is not a very difficult task for it. Coming to weak stock. Weak stock weakness is something that I see in HDFC Bank. Here, see friends, it's a downtrend. Okay, now if I'm drawing a trend line, simple trend line like this, see, this is where we stand. This is where it was taking its, whenever it came it here at this level 1668, it used to take support and go up. Whenever it came here, it took support and went up. Whenever it came here, support and went up. Now finally it broke the support, and again it came to retest this level. What we'll do, we'll wait for this retest and then short, or we can short at the bottom. That's where we can go ahead and sell. Now I am also drawing a Fibo for your convenience from the top to the bottom. Okay, if there is a Fibo drawn, you will see the retest level is exactly at 38.2 levels. Good possibility that if in case there is a market upward momentum tomorrow, it will come to 38.2 levels, which is approximately at 1670, friends. 1669, 1670. That's where we can consider to short it. No buy, we are planning to sell it. Okay, from there we can go ahead and expect first target this area 1665, second target 1660, and for third target, yeah, it is not there here, but it can be a good 1650 or 1640 kind of a target. 1:1.5, 1:2 is what we can expect here also, friends. I hope you liked the video. If you did, do hit the like button. Thanks for watching, and wish you a profitable tomorrow.